Hi everyone, I just got Splotch back from the vet. He's got a heart murmur and it's very loud. Apparently, it's very loud heart murmur. And basically, when young cats, he's only 1 year old. When young cats normally have heart murmurs, it's normally apparently quiet. It's not as loud, but yeah, it's really loud apparently. He doesn't show any signs of being unwell. He doesn't get breathless or anything, but I'm gonna have to get him scanned next week, which is a nightmare because with energy bills and stuff. And then now it's probably only cost us £150 to £200 just to get him scanned. And I could go, okay, there's nothing wrong. Or they could also say, oh, there's actually, he's needs to be operated on, or he needs medication or something. And that would be hundreds as well. So basically, I'm going to really struggle, but you know what? He comes first. I'm not even hesitant on this. He has to, even if it's going to cost us a bit of money, whatever, he needs to be looked after. I got him as a pet. I knew that, I kept him as a pet because he has three brothers. He had two brothers. Maisie had them, and he came out last, and I just fell in love with him, and so it was my choice to keep him. And obviously, with all my pets, that's a thing. They'll get sick, and it's ridiculous the way vet bills are. But that's just something, it's just extortionate. It should be a crime how expensive it is, but just something I've got to deal with. I'm not going to ask for anyone to donate through my PayPal until you get scanned, because I'm just asking for a little bit of help. My skin is crawling to even ask this. But if I could have a little bit of help, even if it quid or something, just because it's going to be so expensive by the sounds of it. But I don't want anyone to donate until next Tuesday when I get scanned, because that might be all it is. It might just be a scan, turns out he's okay. He might grow out of this, he might, but he might be really unwell, and I would hate for him to not live a long cat life, I don't want him to die young. So that's all I'm going to say. Please donate if you can, but not right now.